Hi everyone, today I will present my individual project on the topic of pilgrim tourism, specifically analyzing air and road transport for Hajj in Saudi Arabia. This topic is covered in chapter 1 and 3. But before we start, let me introduce myself in Arabic. Ismi Husna Ashikin binti Khairul Azman, Ana min Saf J4BA 1175P. So let's go to the main topic, which is pilgrimage tourism. So, what is pilgrimage tourism? Pilgrimage tourism refers to traveling to sacred or religious destinations for spiritual reasons and cultural connection. In other words, this journey involves sites that are holy and worthy of deep spiritual veneration. For example, in Islam, Saudi Arabia is the main destination for Islamic pilgrimage, which is by performing Hajj in Mecca, while Christianity is visiting the Holy Land in Jerusalem or the Vatican. Other than that, Buddhism visiting both Gaya and India. Returning to the main topic, there are two primary types of Islamic pilgrimage, which is Hajj and Umrah. So, what is differences between Hajj and Umrah? Hajj is an annual Muslim pilgrimage that is one of Islam's five pillars, where Muslims perform Hajj during the lunar months of Dhul-Hijjah. It is also mandatory for every Arab Muslim to perform it once in their life, while Umrah refers as the minor pilgrimage and can be conducted at any time of year. Other than that, Saudi Arabia government provides special facilities and transport system to ensure a safe and meaningful journey for all Islamic pilgrims. For example, KAIA provides Wi-Fi, a lot of restaurant and transportations to and from KAIA, which is Haramain High Speed Railway. It offers high-speed connections to cities across Saudi Arabia, such as Jeddah, Al Sulaimania, Mecca, and Medina. Next, let's move on to the transport modes commonly used in Saudi Arabia for pilgrimage tours. There are two main types, which are air transport and road transport. Air transport used for international access, and most pilgrims arrive at King Abdul Aziz International Airport and Prince Muhammad Abdul Aziz in Medina. Second one is road transport for local movement between holy cities and the ritual sites like Mecca, Medina, Arafah, and Muzdalifah. Road transport is crucial because they can quickly carry in thousands of pilgrims. By 2026, Saudi Arabia has officially launched its first fully electric bus to ensure a smoother and more sustainable journey for million pilgrims and enhance the comfort of pilgrim tours. For the challenges, common challenges of Hajj is overcrowding and a logistic issue where Hajj crowds can lead to delays and difficulties in performing rituals. It is also can cause a congestion at airport and routes. Next is hot climate and dehydration. Mecca's climate is typically hot, especially during Hajj season. The extreme temperature can pose the risk of dehydration and heat stroke. Subsequently, safe concerns, large crowds, and the complexity of the ritual can pose safety risks, including accident and injuries. Next, we move to the focus perspective that involve. From tourist perspective, of course, they seek a seamless travel and experience that balance comfort, affordability, and punctuality during performing their religious rituals. This is to prevent the burden of physical exhaustion and excessive financial costs. Next one is government perspective, where government should control the crowd, manage safety regulations, and decide zero accident season by using electric buses and AI-driven system to manage million people efficiently. Next is operators' perspective, where their desire is to make sure that their services is efficiently and profitability. For example, companies like Nakoba desire a transport system where their service runs seamlessly without mechanical failures. The last one is community perspective. Of course, they desire the sustainability and quality of life. They want a clearer and healthy environment. To address this, the government already provided the electric buses which reduce noise and air pollution. Next, I will propose solution that is realistic, sustainable, and evidence-based realistic solution. The first one is implementing an integrated mobile application. This solution allows pilgrims to book, track, and manage their transportation seamlessly. By using existing smartphone technology and 5G networks, pilgrims can avoid long waiting times and better plan for their journey. For example, is Nusuk app. Next is sustainable solution, which is the transition to electric bus. The implementation of electric buses is a sustainable solution that aligns with the Saudi Green Initiative. It works effectively and gives a positive impact and ensures a healthier environment for pilgrims to perform their rituals. The last solution is evidence-based improvement. The SMAM-CPA hosts framework real-time fatigue and emotional monitoring using wearable sensors, smart mobile application for monitoring and classification of pilgrim activities in Hajj and Umrah using wearable sensors. The main objective of the SMAM-CPA host method is to classify pilgrim activities based on fatigue levels and emotional status using wearable sensors for real-time monitoring. The SMAM-CPA host method performs data preprocessing using min-max normalization to standardize input data, ensuring consistent analysis across various sensors readings. For example, smart breaker integration. This is for detect the vital signs, which is heart rate and activity levels. That's all from me. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed watching my video. Bye!